Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Let me know by commenting down below. So today I'm going to do this winter forest nail art, which is inspired from another nail artist and her name is Tel. Make sure to check out her Instagram account to see more of her works. By the way, she's my favorite nail artist. So I'm starting off my manicure with base coat. As a base polish, I'm going to apply 2 coats of white nail polish on my middle and ring fingernail. Over white nail polish, I am going to stamp trees with help of Nickel Diary L13 stamping plate with grey and black polish. At first, I am stamping trees with grey polish to indicate trees deep inside of a forest, and I was about to ruin my nail art at this point. But somehow I fixed it and cleaned the excess. Whew. Over grey trees, I am stamping trees again, but now with black polish. This part is so satisfying to watch. Let's do it again on my ring fingernail. After done with stamping, I have applied this glitter top coat in the same way Tal did with her manicure, and then I have finished my manicure with glossy top coat. I know Tal finished her manicure with matte top coat, but I wanted to keep it glossy. On rest of my nails, I have applied 2 coats of black nail polish and I'm done with my voiceover. But my video has not finished yet. I think I forgot how to do voiceover. I think I'm doing voiceover for my videos after 1 month. Yes. So that's all about my today's video. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here in my channel, then make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to never miss any upload. See you in my next video. Bye bye.